This is my personal list of 15 of the best, no gimmick, no fluff, kitchen meal prep finds that are going to cut down your meal prep by 60%. I own and use every single one of these items, so let's get right into it. Usually not one to promote single-use items, but my goodness, this cabbage peeler right here is fantastic. I even compared it next to my regular potato peeler and it did not compare. If you ever like to make coleslaw, sauerkraut, any kind of finely shredded cabbage, or you like that fluffy cabbage look that Japanese restaurants serve, this is the peeler for you. It is so incredibly easy. It is not a gimmick, slides back and forth so easy. It shreds an entire head of cabbage in literally like 30 seconds. This hard cheese warming platter is an incredible companion to any charcuterie board or any kind of event, especially if you're host. If you're serving cheese like brie cheese or any kind of cheese that is good warmed up, this is perfect because you don't have to set it out and wait for it to warm up. You simply take this little stand right here and you put a little votive candle underneath it, and it's going to warm up that aluminum tray, and it's going to create a beautiful, soft, ripened cheese right there that you can take and spread onto any kind of cracker. It also just looks really good and beautiful, especially if you're hosting. It is the perfect companion to your charcuterie board. Okay, when I posted about this to-go burger press, people went crazy. Apparently Tupperware back in the 80s or the 90s made something very similar, but essentially this is an all-in-one container where you can take and you can make burger patties customized to your preferred thickness, and you can make, I think, up to like 8 patties, maybe even more if they're thinner, all at once. So the cool thing is you can place the entire container in the refrigerator to use later. Maybe you're going to a cookout, a friend's house, you simply want to store it for later, you can do that and keep them in the refrigerator. But when you are ready to use them, you simply pop them out, you take the little disc dividers in between them, and then I will put them onto like parchment paper just to separate them, and then you're ready just to put them on the grill. They are so good. It is so easy. You're no longer sitting there fussing with every single burger patty. You're making like 8 to 10 of them all at once. And the cool thing is, if you don't want to use them right away, you can make a ton of them, batch them up, and then put them in the freezer, and they're ready for you whenever you want. This next item is also one of those single-use items, but in the summertime, this is a must. This is a cherry pitter, and you can pit, I think, 6 to 8 cherries all at once. I don't know where this invention was when I was a kid and we were making cherry jam in the kitchen with my mom, and we would literally use a tiny little needle to weed out every single pit. This is so much easier. You just put all of your cherries in there. There's a little divider for the pits to go to. Super clean, super fast, and it does not waste any cherries whatsoever. Okay, this little contraption right here is such a neat little hack. This is a little air fryer skewer maker. So let's say you don't want to grill any skewers outside. This is the perfect solution. You take your little tiny skewers that come with the set, feed onto it meat, vegetables, whatever you have, and you have little tiny skewers, and then you stick the entire thing into your air fryer, and in like 15 minutes you have the perfect skewers, and they get like the perfect char on them, making it look like you actually took them off the grill. This large capacity 25 cup glass storage container comes with an entire carry handle, and it fits an entire rotisserie chicken. I have used this for my mirepoix anytime I'm marinating something large. This also fits an entire pot of soup, so the next time you have leftovers, you're not fumbling with a random awkward size pot to put in your refrigerator. You just transfer the entire pot of soup into this container, stick it in the fridge, it's good to go. Completely waterproof, and it's super nice because you can take the entire thing and then you can just go and take it wherever with you. This silicone grill mat is honestly such a game changer and a time saver, because anytime you're going to go grill something outside, how many times have you gone there and there's a massive mess that you need to clean up? Well, you don't have to waste doing any of that anymore. You simply take out this silicone grill mat, you place it right next to where you are grilling, barbecuing, whatever, and then you have a space for your utensils, your sauces, your condiments, your basting brush, whatever it is that you are using. You always have a clean surface, and once you're done, you toss the entire thing into your dishwasher and it's clean again. Okay, here I am back with another single-use item, but I promise you in the summertime, this is going to save you. This is a corn peeler specifically for whole corn on the cob. It's completely stainless steel, and it glides and gets every single kernel every single time, so you're no longer having to take your knife, go all the way down, the kernels are uneven. As easy as it is to peel an apple, it's even easier to go ahead and peel this entire head of corn with this tool. I think the number one thing that really speeds up my meal prep is this chopper in my kitchen. I use this all the time. Anytime I need to chop anything up for a salad, a mirepoix, whether it's fruit or savory and it needs to be in cubes or diced up, I always use this chopper. I am telling you, I am no longer going to be sitting there and chopping things by hand. I just stick whatever it is that I need chopped into beautiful cubes. Boom. It's done, ready to go. I'm telling you, this is probably like my number one reach for tool in my kitchen. And I've tested a few of these, and this particular one that I'm linking is the best one. It's large capacity, it's very sharp, it has a few different sizes, and it's just perfect. Okay, I love to pack a salad, but I hate a soggy salad a couple hours later. These glass salad meal prep container jars have a little silicone divider that is perfect for all of your dressings, your different toppings that you don't want to get soggy, croutons, whatever it is that you want to keep separate from the actual salad itself. You simply layer everything in there, put in your little silicone divider, add in your dressings, your toppings. The cool thing is there's a little fork that even comes that attaches right to the top of the lid, and the salad jars are actually a really good size, enough for an adult to actually have a meal. This next product isn't necessarily for meal prep, but it's for after meal prep. This buffet server has actually saved me this entire summer break, because the cool thing is, yes, it's great for hosting. So if someone's running a few minutes late, everything is still nice and warm. But the cool thing is, if I wake up earlier in the morning and I quickly prep my kids' breakfast, I will put it into these trays and it is warm for hours. I don't have to really hear like, oh, what are we having for breakfast? I already take care of that. I put that out there. All the pans are dishwasher safe, super easy to clean up. And then once breakfast is done, I can quickly go and warm them up, maybe something for lunch, put that in there. They already know that food is already prepped, and it's just been a really cool addition to our home this summer. Speaking of summer, this ice cream maker right here is the perfect size. I have purchased those big, large homemade ice cream makers before, and unfortunately, if we make a large batch, sometimes one doesn't like this flavor, the other one doesn't like the consistency, and we're stuck with a large batch. This is a completely cordless, which is my favorite thing. It's completely cordless, and it is a small batch ice cream maker, and I pair it with these little ice cream bins that I bought off of Amazon, and I will make like a pint of ice cream at a time. This is perfect because there are no cords. All you have to do is stick that little bin into the freezer, probably like the night before you want to make your ice cream, and then in about 35 minutes you have a fresh batch of homemade ice cream, and then you can just store it into those little pint containers, and if you want, you can go ahead and make another batch. This tiny but mighty Prep Solutions mandolin is perfect because I can actually adjust the thickness whether I want something thicker or thinner. This is the mandolin that I use all the time when I'm making my pickled red onions. This is also the mandolin I use when I want a really beautiful cut on cucumbers, jalapenos, any kind of bowls that I'm making, and I want my veggies to look presentable and at a certain like thickness. This is the mandolin I use. It is so sharp, so easy to use. It does come with a guard, and it's just a very affordable option that speeds up my process of meal prep. These tiny little biscuit cutters right here are made for so much more than just cutting biscuits. I use this to go ahead and cut like white sandwich bread to make beautiful round like sandwiches. The cool thing is there are so many different sizes, so you can make whatever size sandwich you want. So yes, you can use them for cookies and biscuits, but I actually love to use it on white bread to make beautiful like tea sandwiches. And the last thing that I want to mention was a very unexpected and kind of a weird find, but it does help me meal prep a lot faster. These rubber gloves right here go all the way up to my forearm. So when I am getting things out of the oven, I am not hesitating. I'm not looking for rags. I'm not freaking out. I'm kind of a chicken when it comes to getting burned. So I just slide these on, and without thinking, I can just put my hands into the oven knowing that my hands are safe. My arms, my wrists are not going to get burnt accidentally by touching the top rack. And I just love, love, love these. They look kind of weird and they make like a funny squishy sound, but I'm telling you, they save me time meal prepping because I'm not worried about getting burned, or I'm not scared of like putting my hands into the oven. I'm just quickly boom, boom, reach in, get what I need, and I am done and completely safe. Listen, I have zero time to waste when it comes to meal prep. I love being in the kitchen, but that doesn't mean I want to spend any more time in there than I need to. These 15 tools that I mentioned right here are absolutely genius and things that will actually cut down on time and save you so much time in the kitchen and make cooking enjoyable. As always, everything is going to be linked and pinned down in my description box down below. If you have questions on anything, or if you have any kitchen recommendations that make your meal prep faster, I would love if you would put them down in the comments below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one.